stuck with the SLC Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. Before we start the SLC library configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the SLC library. This is the Software Licensing Client API, a critical kernel mode library responsible for the Windows Activation Technologies (WAT) stack. It handles calls to the SLGetWindowsInformation and SLAuthenticateBuiltin functions to verify system digital entitlements. If missing, the OS enters a non-genuine state, triggering the Windows is not activated watermark and preventing access to personalization settings. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. If SLC Library DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the SLC library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Remember that manual replacement of SLC Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for SLC Library. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got SLC Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.